Dear students, let's start. 10 easy lines on Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a great visionary leader. He was born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack city in the Odisha state of India. He was a meritorious student since his childhood. He visited various countries to ally with them to fight the British government. His political differences with Mahatma Gandhi led to his resignation and formation of a new party, All India Forward Bloc. Netaji always believed that only blood could pay the price of freedom. He founded Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army, with around 43,000 soldiers in 1942 to fight against British rule. INA freed Andaman and Nicobar Islands from the British and renamed it Swaraj and Shahid Islands. Netaji got inspiration from Bhagavad Gita and believed in the universal brotherhood. On 18th August 1945, he died in a plane crash, but this fact has no ground proof. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.